Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul opens his trading app at 9:15 and sees TCS up 4%. Gap up on great quarterly results. Twitter is exploding. Everyone is buying. His heart starts racing. This is it. This is the trade. He's about to click buy, but then he remembers everything Arjun taught him, and he waits. Best decision of his trading week. Rahul versus the gap up trap. A gap up is when a stock opens significantly higher than yesterday's close. If TCS closed at 3,500 and opens at 3,650, that is a 4% gap up. It happens because of overnight news. Earnings beats, analyst upgrades, global markets rallying. The price jumps before you can react. And that is exactly the trap. Here is why gap ups trap beginners. The news is already priced in. By the time you see TCS up 4%, every institutional trader and their algorithm already bought. You are last to the party. 70% of large gap ups partially or fully fill within 3 days. Fill means the stock drops back to where it was before the gap. That 4% gain you chased, gone in 48 hours. Old Rahul would have bought instantly. TCS up 4% at open. His FOMO screaming buy. Entry at 36.50. No stop loss, because who puts a stop loss on a stock that just gapped up? And then the slow, painful slide begins. 36.20. 35.90, 35.50. The gap is filling, and Rahul is trapped at the top. New Rahul does something different. He sees the gap up. He notes the level, 36.50. Then he waits. He watches the first 30 minutes. No buying. The stock starts to fade. Good. He sets an alert at 3,500, the previous close. The gap fill level. If TCS comes back to 3,500 and holds, that is the real entry. Not at the euphoric top, at the logical support. Day 2, TCS at 35.60. Day 3, 35.20. Day 4, 35.10. The gap is almost completely filled. Old Rahul would be panicking with a 2% loss. New Rahul is watching patiently. And on day 5, TCS hits 3,500. Tests it. Holds. A hammer candle at the gap fill level with rising volume. Rahul enters at 35.10. Stop loss at 34.80, below the gap fill. Target at 35.80, the midpoint of the gap. Risk 30 points. Reward 70. Risk reward 1 to 2.3. Beautiful. 1 week later, TCS climbs to 35.90. Rahul exits. Profit 80 rupees per share on 25 shares. 2,000 rupees. While everyone who chased the gap up is still underwater. Rahul's gap up rules. 1. Never buy the gap up in the first 30 minutes. Let the dust settle. 2. Mark the gap fill level yesterday's close. Set an alert there. 3. Watch for the gap to fill within 3 to 5 days. 4. If it fills and holds with a reversal candle, that is your entry. 5. If it does not fill and keeps running, let it go. There will always be another trade. 6. Exception. If a stock gaps up on massive volume, 3 times average, and the first candle is green, the gap may not fill. These continuation gaps are rare but powerful. Not all gaps are traps. There are 4 types. Common gaps happen in sideways markets and always fill. Ignore them. Breakaway gaps happen at the start of a new trend with huge volume. These rarely fill and are buyable. Continuation gaps happen in the middle of a strong trend. They confirm the trend. Exhaustion gaps happen at the end of a trend. These fill fast and trap the most people. Learning to tell them apart saves you thousands. The best trade is often no trade. When everyone is buying the gap up in a frenzy, the smart trader waits. Let the gap fill. Buy the support. Let others pay for your profits. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.